If you want to learn how to use the CapCut QR code for login on your PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can sign in faster without typing your account details manually. This is especially useful if you already have CapCut on your phone and want an easy way to connect your account on desktop. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click Sign In. This is where you'll find the login options for your CapCut account. After that, you'll see the different sign-in methods available. From here, click Use QR code. CapCut will now display a QR code on your computer screen. At this point, pick up your phone and open the CapCut app. Make sure you're signed into the same account on your mobile device or at least ready to authenticate the login. On your phone, use the QR scanner inside the CapCut app to scan the code that appears on your PC screen. Once the code is scanned, CapCut will verify your login request and connect your account automatically. In just a few seconds, you should be signed in on the desktop version and ready to start editing. If it doesn't work right away, make sure your phone camera is clear, your screen brightness is high enough, and that both devices have a stable internet connection. Also double check that you're scanning the correct QR code shown inside the CapCut desktop app. And that's it. That's how to use the CapCut QR code for login on PC. It's fast, simple, and a great way to save time when you want to access your projects across devices. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips, editing guides, and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.